Hi guys, I want to talk to you today about this amazing square biscuit for cutting. And I have to tell you that I love this one because they're perfect for anything that has to be with bake. So I really like this one because it's high quality stainless steel. So that's gonna be perfect if you want to put it through your dishwasher or anything because they are good materials. So that's great. Here are my squares. You can see it comes with this little ring here. So you can take it like by one. You will have the inches and here, that's centimeters. So you can see what is the size of what you're cutting. Look at that. This is perfect like for brownies or if you're doing some delicious cake that you want for this or even like baking chocolate chip cake. That's great. So I really like these ones because this is perfect like for doing brownies because you only have to, place it here and the side it's gonna be perfect. I'm gonna put it like this. It's a perfect size. You can keep it up your kitchen. And then we just close it here like this. So let's try it.